What is up, everyone? This is MotoCharles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not opening on your Android mobile. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this not opening error or on your Android mobile device, there's a few ways to fix this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to locate where the WhatsApp app is. So you pretty much right here, and you want to click into this and go into app info. There's a few ways to get here. You can actually go to your settings, go to apps, and find it from there. But I personally like to do it the way I just did it because it's usually the easier way to pretty much go here. Once you're in here, click into storage and cache and clear the cache. Usually doing this is good enough, but if that doesn't work, you can also do clear storage. That may sign you out, so just an FYI, you might need to like put your phone number back in to log back in or whatever, right? Cloud key, however you had the information saved, but just an FYI, do that as a last resort option. The next thing you want to do is in here, under the mobile data usage section, do unrestricted mobile data usage. Have that enabled. Do not have that disabled. That usually fixes a lot of these issues that end up having with this app not opening up via through Wi-Fi and whatnot. Once you have that done, you want to then go back and click into force stop and press OK. Same thing. This is like a hard reset on the app itself, so I would highly recommend you to actually do this as well. And then the final option is archive. That's kind of like a reset or uninstall essentially that happens, but it doesn't delete the app. You just reinstall it within the app itself. You don't got to go to the app store. Or you could just straight up uninstall it and try from there as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you follow these steps, you should be good to go, and you should not have this error persisting any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.